You can see my car door is open. I'm trying to close and it doesn't close, it's beeping. You open again, try again as many times you want. This door will not close. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. If you have a newest car, like new model, maybe above 2020 model, I'm pretty sure you will be encountering this kind of problem, the one I have it right now. You can see my car door is open. I'm trying to close and it doesn't close, it's beeping. You open again, try again as many times you want. This door will not close. And I'm pretty sure in this situation you have a car start by the push button, or you have a key fob like wireless car start like this. If you are running in this situation, don't worry about it. We will fix right now really quick. You can watch this video full and you will be able to fix your car. And newest model car, the one using key fob push button, so actually this key has some kind of a transmitter inside which car recognize like key is closed or far. That's the way it gets started and everything. And this situation you have to check your trunk. For sure you don't have any spare key inside your trunk. Like I have this jug, I have all kind of key. Actually what happened, I have a spare car key inside this jug. I put this jug here in a hurry to go to other house so I can have any key inside I have to use, because I don't remember what key I have to use. And since that time this door doesn't close. So now if I take this one out and I will close this door and it will lock. But if I'm gonna open again, I put this jug, my means to jug, not jug, this is spare key inside. As you see, I close, it will not close. It will lock. So I have a sensor inside your trunk and inside your car. So if you have a spare key inside or any key, it's just preventing not to lock your key inside the trunk. So by following this one, check your trunk or your car, you don't have any spare key inside, you will be able to fix. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with a new topic.